Hey everyone! Great to see you back on this channel. Huge thanks to all of you that following this channel. We're getting really close to 5,000 subscribers. That's incredible. Recently I've been featured in local newspapers and on local radio. That's also amazing. And it's been amazing to see the interest in what we are doing here. Today's episode is all about how a launch works on an aircraft carrier with an F-18. There's a lot happening on the deck, way more than most people realize, and I'm going to show you that. There, I want to say a small disclaimer to keep this video viewer-friendly and not too long. I've trimmed away a few checklist steps. Everything's important is still here, just a bit more streamlined. I hope you will enjoy this video. And here we have the carrier. An F-18 launches. And there goes another one. Let's jump into the cockpit and go through a full startup and launch sequence. I begin by switching on the battery and then the APU, the auxiliary power unit. It's basically a small engine that provides electrical power and air for the main engine start. I now wait for the green signal, the green light. And there we have it. I'm now going to start the right engine. You see the muzzle opens and we're waiting for the engine sound of the F-18. There we have it. Now I'm going to start the right engine, and it's the same procedure. You saw that the rudders gave a little kick before, and when I'm turning on the right left engine, the hydraulics comes really alive. Now I'm closing the canopy. And inside the cockpit, when the canopy closes, it becomes quiet. Normally I wait to unfold the wings until I'm in position, because it's pretty tight on the deck. But for this demonstration I'm extending them right here. And after unfolding the wings, a full flight control system check is normally performed. I signal the technician to remove the wheel shocks. From here on I follow the deck screws, hand signal exactly. As a pilot, you only see what's in front of you. They're your eyes on the deck. The F-18 had nose wheel steering and a high gain mode called nose wheel steering high, which gives you a much tighter turning radius. Very useful on a crowded carrier deck. I follow the hand signals very carefully. I don't want to throttle too much, because then I'm getting into the wrong position and I have to turn back and do it all over again. So very gentle with the throttle. You see another F-18 behind me, and they were unfolding the wings now. I'm getting to the trail, to the Catapult. It's a little spot to be in the right position. I think I will manage it. Very careful. The technician in the yellow jacket, he says forward, and the jet deflectors behind me goes up. When I reach the catapult, the mechanics gives me the signal to lower the launch bar. When the launch bar comes down, a technician steps in with the holdback bar, a metal device that attaches behind the nose wheel. This keeps the aircraft locked in place while I spool up the engines. Now the technician in the green jacket, he tells me to go forward. When the launch bar, to seat the launch bar in the shuttle, I add a little throttle and roll forward just a few centimeters. The bar climbs over a small detent and drops into the shuttle track. But I'm very careful here, because I want it in the right position, just behind the detent. And there we have it. The deck crew checks visually that everything is properly connected and gives me the signal to hold. I retract the launch bar, that it holds its position. The technician gives me that I should spool up the engine to max afterburn. There we had a flyby by several F-18s. See a helicopter in the background. And in the background to the right you see a F-18 going for a landing and getting hooked by the wire. Now I'm doing this salute, and then we're off the deck. Here we go. After takeoff, I climb out and head into the direction. There we see the carrier. And to wrap things up, here's a low pass over the carrier. I hope you enjoyed this video. I enjoyed making it. I enjoyed sitting in the cockpit, and I enjoyed every step of it, from the start of the engines to the launch. And I like to say thank you for watching, and I hope you thumb up the video and write in the comments. Next video will maybe be something from another simulator, Microsoft Flight Simulator 2024, or maybe the Apache helicopter, or maybe a mission from Top Gun 2. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching again. Bye.